Hello everyone! Let me show you how to make a dessert that only requires 3 healthy ingredients with the option to add chocolate chips. Let's begin! In a medium bowl, add 2 cups rolled oats or old-fashioned oats, 1 cup mashed bananas, and half a cup peanut butter. Mix until well combined. Don't forget to subscribe. I added a 1/3 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Again, chocolate chips are optional. Line an 8-inch pan with parchment paper. Grease with oil or butter. Transfer the mixture into the prepared pan. Then spread evenly. Top with more chocolate chips if desired. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until golden on top and firm in the center. Remove from the oven and allow to cool completely before slicing the bars. The good thing about the recipe is that it is very flexible. Number 1, you can substitute the creamy peanut butter and use almond butter instead. Number 2, if you want a more moist and gooey bar, feel free to increase the banana or cut down on the oats. 3, chocolate chips are optional, but it's a great addition for added sweetness. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. For full recipe that you can print, visit PinoyCookingRecipes.com. Thank you for watching!